Through AstraZeneca Open Innovation Programs, we create a research environment that encourages collaboration to exchange ideas and work together on scientific projects to transform the future of healthcare.
One of the big challenges in developing potential treatment for neurodegenerative diseases is poor translation from animal study to human clinical trial.
So due to species differences, data from animal studies are not always reliable to predict the safety and efficacy of new drugs in human patients.
The challenge we set up for course of 2023 was developing innovative in vitro model system to better understand the pathogenesis of rare neurological disorders and applying it for drug discovery research.
We were really looking especially for systems that are based on primary human cells or human stem cells. So in other words, we are really looking for a model of human disease in a dish, a model that would allow us to focus on the core disease mechanisms with the goal to help us to develop new treatments that our patients need.
So far, majority of drugs in the neurodegenerative diseases target genes and proteins in the neurons, which is major cell types of the brain. But neurons are not only cell types implicated in neurodegenerative diseases.
So we've been focusing on the interface where blood vessels meet the neuronal cells at the neurovascular unit that regulates the blood-brain barrier function and cerebral blood flow. We used to induce the pluripotent stem cells, which is the so-called iPSCs, as a human model system in conjunction with CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing technology to understand why pathological changes in small vessels leads to the neurodegeneration and the cognitive defects in the brain and the eventual dementia.
I think the COSOF program, in my mind, functions as a catalyst for bringing together cutting-edge science and deep understanding of human disease with modern preclinical research capabilities and drug development that we have.
By collaborating with academic researchers, we can advance innovative science and accelerate the discovery of next-generation therapeutics.